maths definitely is improved. Rest means reading, writing was is similar on the lines means that is going on and increase. But maths is definitely what he's become good at, the addition and all. He's doing it in a better way because this curriculum probably he followed it before as well, but now he's pretty much clear that what is addition and what is subtraction because of the way of teaching of Vikalp, right? Because we teach it with shapes and objects and all that, and focus more on methodology stuff. So that from that perspective, I guess maths he's picked up really well.
But now what will happen in this Vikalp? Individualistic approach is there.
Yeah.
Okay, each and every children, you pay special attention to him or her, and you work on that. You give him messages, homework, especially to his parents or her parents. And what you do is different from other teaching parameters.
Okay.
Convey you, because in what happens in other schools and regular schools, we lack such changes, especially in this kind of people, kind of children's. So these are the changes actually after joining Vikalp we noticed.
Okay.
So I really appreciate it, and will continue in the future also. Why? Because if it is going for the better of the future of the child, then definitely will continue that.
Okay. And how is he responding to the activities? Like, he's supposed to do a lot of activities. He's able to do all those things.
He's always happy to accept all the changes what you have suggested. Why? Because he has never such kind of schooling never before. Because last 2 years he was in 3 and like senior KG. His performance right now far better than the previous.
Okay.
So we believe that he will be very happy, and he's actually happy for having such kind of environment over here.
Task make her do alone, and most of the classes she's sitting herself.
Yeah.
I will be sitting at the work. My shift will be this time, so that most of the class she will do herself only.
And she manages it pretty well. Like she's able to, like, she doesn't feel like she needs some help and support.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Actually, she improved a lot. Starting as I just need to sit with her, I need to stop everything. But it is right now, I just need to see 5 minutes. That much it has been picked up.
Ma'am, have you noticed any change in her in past 1 year? Like something which she's able to understand things better, or something you have noticed in her?
Yes, sir. Actually, she is learning most of the things she is learning in a practical way, actually. Whole day, she's not that kind of she's not that typical child which I even observe for my patients or like that. She will not force anything. She feels herself responsible for her education. When she falls asleep now, she feels herself guilty. Even she don't have to tell me. She herself tells that, and she start crying. So she is feeling herself responsible for her education.
Okay. So maybe she's becoming more responsible.
Yeah, definitely. Because of that only, sir, I continued with even after my busy schedule. Both of us are not at home. We are still continuing. Most of the time she is with the maid, and still we are continuing with the homeschooling. Just because of that, we are seeing that she is more behaving like a more responsible way, even in family also.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Yeah. So, Arshita is like, this is 3rd year of Arshita.
Yes.
Like, 2 years of online classes before that, the educational toys and all that they had taken. So, yeah.
If we need to make some improvement in writing, maybe he can start writing something of his interest, like maybe diary writing, or like, writing stories, or even faculty can give him little more work on writing. And make it better, like, if at home only, like, he writes something random, like whatever he's interested in. If something of that sort can be done, like diary writing is actually very good. If you write something, half a page, 1 page every day, then that in the long run helps in developing that writing skills and even interest in writing and all that.
So it makes a lot of sense, because it will also help you to stimulate your brain, because you have to write. Writing requires thought process. So that eventually will help him a lot.